Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorials on Excel. Today we want to talk about how to insert graph in your Excel spreadsheet. My name is Daniel Obenyi and I welcome you to today's tutorials. As you can see on the screen, we have a simple statistical data, very simple, that shows the number of students in secondary school. You have from GS1 to SS3, the junior secondary and the senior secondary. So these are their statistics. In GS1 you have 657, in GSS2 you have this, in GSS3 you have this, in SS1 you have this, in SS2 you have this, then in SS3 you have this. This is just a sample of how you can make use of statistics and plot a graph in your Excel. You can apply it to any type of statistics you have. So now how do we insert our graph on this Excel statistics? On your Excel spreadsheet, you select your item from this GS1. How do you select it? You click on this, you hold the shift key on your keyboard, you come to this point and you click, it selects it. So having selected these statistics, what do? You go to the insert tab, you click on the insert, you come to this column, this group. What do? Do you want to use this? Do you want to use this? Do you want to use the pie chart? Do you want to use the bar chart? Do you want to? There are several types of charts. So let's start with the column kind of chart. So when you click on this, you have different types of the column charts you can use. So but let's select this. When you select this, you see that it has already plotted the graph based on the data we used. How do you edit your graph? You click and drag. So you drag, you keep dragging till it fits into the exact column you want it to fit in. Then you can also adjust this graph. You drag until you get to the exact cell you want it to fit into. Okay, so now this is the graph so far. As you can see, GSS1, GSS2, GS3, SS1, SS2 and SS3. So you can still adjust. If you feel that is too large, you can still adjust, and that is that. So now how do you edit? As you can see at this point, you have series 1, but we want to name this series 1 to become number of students in secondary school. You click on it and you right click on your mouse, then you come to this point, you click on delete, it goes off. Okay, so then what you do is you adjust the inner graph, you click on it, you adjust the inner graph, not this other one, this one. So you drag, you adjust it. So you click on the insert, you come to the text box, you click on the text box, you click it on this place on the chart. So what next do? You write number of students in secondary school. So what do? Right, you use Ctrl A to highlight it, then you come to your home. You can now use any font you want. Okay, let's use 11. It's still the same. So you select it, you come to this point and you click this. So you come here, you drag it and you put it here. You keep adjusting until it fits into what you want. So that is how to plot a graph on your Excel. Then you can also use any of this other graph. We use the bar. You can use the pie. You can use any. You can insert any kind of chart with this data. I want you to practice on your own leisure time, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorials. I remain Daniel Owenyi. Subscribe on the channel and share the link. Thank you.